Britain was on course for its hottest day on record on Monday, with temperatures forecast to hit 40 degrees Celsius for the first time, forcing train companies to cancel services, schools to close early and ministers to urge the public to stay at home. Much of Europe is baking in a heatwave that has pushed temperatures into the mid-40s Celsius in some regions, with wildfires raging across tinder-dry countryside in Portugal, Spain and France. Britain's government triggered a national emergency alert as temperatures were forecast to surpass the 38.7 degrees recorded in the Cambridge University Botanic Garden in 2019 on Monday and Tuesday. The government urged schools to stay open, but many were due to close earlier than usual. Some factories also brought their opening hours forward, to prevent workers on the hottest jobs, such as welding, from falling ill. A minister in charge of government coordination said the government was prepared for the extreme weather and would seek to learn lessons from it.